Hello children, welcome back to our e-learning classes. Today we are going to begin with our next topic of grammar, that is nouns. In this video we will start with lesson number 7, proper and common noun. So let's first begin with the definition of a noun. A noun is the name of a person, animal, place or thing. I repeat, a noun is the name of a person, animal, place or thing. Children, here are some examples to understand it. Person, boy, father, teacher, doctor, policeman. Animal, cat, lion, cow, zebra, horse. Place, hospital, school, bank, city, airport. And thing, chair, fan, cycle, lamp, pencil. Children, all these names of person, animal, place and thing are known as nouns. Okay. So now let us see what is a common noun. Children, a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. I repeat, a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. For examples, man, woman, boy, girl, town, country, book, desk. Okay children, now let us see the definition of proper noun. Proper noun. A proper noun is the special name of a particular person or place. I repeat, a proper noun is the special name of a particular person or place. Children, it always begins with a capital letter. Here are some examples to understand it. Abdul, Rama, Sita, Shirin, Mumbai, India. Okay. Children, here are some more examples to understand common and proper noun. See children, here two columns are given. One is of common noun and other is of proper noun. So, festival is a common noun, whereas names of festival, that is Eid and Holi, are proper noun. Month is a common noun, whereas names of the month, that is January, February till December, all the names of it are known as proper noun. Book is a common noun, whereas the name of the book, the title of the book, that is the Bible, the Quran, are proper noun. Country is a common noun, whereas name of the countries, that is India, Pakistan and so on, are the proper noun. Children, city is a common noun, whereas the name of the city, that is Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, these all are proper noun. River is a common noun, whereas the name of the river, that is Tapi, Narmada, Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, these all are proper noun. Monument is a common noun, whereas the name of the monument, that is the Charminar, Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal, etc. are proper noun. Lastly, mountain is a common noun, whereas the name of the mountain, that is Himalaya, Mount Everest, are proper noun. Okay children, with this I hope common and proper noun are clear to you. So let's begin with the first exercise of this lesson, which is there on page number 33 of your textbook. Lesson number 7, common and proper noun, page number 33. Exercise number 1. Complete the words in the square. They are all nouns. Children, we have to write. We have to complete this tables, this square, with the help of nouns. Okay. So clues are given on the next page of it. That is page number 34. So let us first fill up these clues and then we'll complete the box, the square, which is there before this page. That is on page number 33. So first one, a monkey has a long, yes, a monkey has a long tail, yes, so we will write tail over here. I saw him at the bus stop, yes, so we are going to write here stop, bus stop. Birds build this. What does a bird build, children? Nest, yes, so we'll write nest over here. The boy is flying a kite. A dash twinkles at night. What does twinkles at night, children? Yes, star. Correct. So we'll write star over here. Synonym of correct. Synonym matlab meanings. Okay. So correct matlab true. We can write true also. And last is, what is the dash today? It is October 6th. So what is the dash today? What will be the question? What will be the word over here? Yes, what is the date today? Okay children. Now this all word, that is tail, stop, nest, kite, star, then true and date. We have to write this in the previous box, that is on page number 33. So let us write that. First one was tail. Yes, so we will write T-A-I-L. Second word was stop. So we will write S-T-O-P. Then it was nest. Yes, N-E-S-T. Then next was, fourth one was, let us see what was the fourth word. Yes, the boy is flying a kite. So we will write kite over here. K-I-T-E. Next sentence, after that it was star. A dash twinkles at night. So it was star. S-T-A-R. Next is the synonym of correct. So it is true. T-R-U-E. And last one was, what is the dash today? So answer was date. So we will write D-A-T-E. So children, like this we have to complete this exercise. Okay. So we have completed our first exercise with the help of these clues. Now let us see the second exercise of this chapter. Exercise number 2. Complete the table below with common or proper nouns. One has been done for you. Children, here we have to write common noun or proper noun. This exercise I have done in the explanation part also. So let us do it again. Festival, Eid and Holi. So now month, you can write any month, that is from January till December. So let us write June and May we will write. Okay. Now the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib. So these are the proper nouns. So common noun of it is book. So write it down, book over here. Country. Country we can write India, our own country, and we can write Pakistan. Yes, other countries also you can write. Now see here, the common noun is not given. Proper noun is Chennai and Hyderabad. These two are city. So we will write city over here. Common noun is city. Then river, you can write the proper noun of river, Tapi, Narmada, Okay, you can write other names also. Now proper noun, the Charminar and Eiffel Tower is there. So common is monument. Okay, now religion. Religion, it is given, it is a common noun. So proper noun will be Hinduism, Hinduism. Okay, and we can write Islam, we can write Christianity. Yes, so all these are religion, and they are the name of the religion is the proper noun. And last is Himalayas and Alps is given, they are proper noun, they are the names of mountains. So mountain will be the common noun. Okay children, see, we have completed our exercise number 2. Now let us start with exercise number 3, which is there on page number 35 of your textbook. Exercise number 3. From the following passage, pick out the common and proper nouns. Then write them in the column given below. Okay, so we'll read the passage first, then we'll pick out the common noun and proper noun, and then we'll write it down over here. So while reading the passage, we will underline the common as well as proper noun, and then we'll separate it over here. Okay, so let us begin with the passage. I had recently visited the city of Delhi with my family. Now here city is a noun, so we'll underline on city. Delhi. So let us write C and P, so it becomes easy when we are sorting it out. Okay, city is a common noun, so let us write C on the top of it. Delhi is a proper noun, so we will write P on it. Family is again a common noun, so we will write C. I visited some famous monuments like Qutub Minar, Red Fort and Jama Masjid while I was there. So now in this sentence, monuments are noun, so it is a common noun. So underline and write C. Qutub Minar, then Red Fort and Jama Masjid. These three are proper noun. Okay. While I was there, we went to Chandni Chowk. Now Chandni Chowk is also a noun, it's a proper noun. The market famous for its eateries. Now here market is a common noun. Okay. It was built by the Mughal emperor Shah Jahan and was designed by his daughter Jahanara. Here now see children, Mughal emperor Shah Jahan, then daughter and Jahanara. These all are nouns. Okay. Now eateries is also a noun. We'll underline that also. See children, here Mughal is a proper noun, so write it down P on top of it. Eateries are common noun, so we'll write C over here. Emperor is a common noun, so write C. Shah Jahan proper noun, so we'll write P. Okay, then P on the top. Here Jahanara is a proper noun, so write P, and daughter is a common noun, so we will write C. Understood? She was a noble woman. Now woman is a common noun, so we will underline and we will write C. We went to a shop which sold perfume. Now perfumes are noun and shop is also a noun. Both are common nouns, so underline and then write CC. We bought Oud and Noor. These two are the names of perfumes, children. Oud and Noor. So you have to underline this, and they are the name, proper name. So write P on the top. Which are fragrances known for their sweet smell. Now fragrances are also a noun. It's a common noun, so write C. Understood? And last, smell. Smell is also a noun, so write C. Now this we have to write in the box which is given below. So let us write it. City. City is a common noun, so we will write city first. Then Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun, so we will write Delhi in the proper noun column. Family, common noun. Monuments, common noun. Here Qutub Minar will come. Red Fort. See children, when you are writing proper noun, first letter will be capital. Okay. Jama Masjid. Then Chandni Chowk. Then market is there. Market is a common noun. Eateries are common noun. Then Mughal. Mughal is a proper noun. Emperor, common noun. Shah Jahan, proper noun. Daughter, common noun. Jahanara, proper noun. Woman, common noun. Shop, common noun. Perfumes, common noun. Here Oud, proper noun. Noor, proper noun. And in common noun, fragrances and smell. Okay. See, like this you can complete this box. Understood children? So with this we completed our exercise number 3 also. Let us start with exercise number 4, which is the last exercise of this chapter. Correct the following sentences by capitalizing the proper noun as and where necessary. Okay, so here we have to write in capital letters. Whichever is a proper noun, we have to change that into a capital letter. Okay, so now first one, see, Netaji was known for his bravery. Now Netaji is the name of a person. It's a proper noun, so N will be capital. So you underline it. Here only you make it capital. Okay children. Second sentence, the Royal Bengal tiger lives in the mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. Okay, now here Royal Bengal tiger is the name of a tiger. Okay, so R will be capital and T will be also capital. Then mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. Sundarbans is the name of a place, so it will be also first letter of Sundarban will be capital. It's a proper noun. Okay, see the third one. Nena and Aman will be going to Patna soon. Now Nena is a name of a girl. It's a proper noun, so N capital. Aman ka A will be capital. Patna is the name of a place, proper noun, so again P will be capital. Now Shintoism and Buddhism are followed in Japan. So these are the name of religion. So S capital and Buddhism ka B will be capital. Japan is the name of a country, so J will be capital. Now see the next sentence. The emperor statue building is located in downtown Manhattan. Okay, now the empire statue, E, empire statue ka S will be capital. This is the name of a monument. Empire statue building is located in the downtown Manhattan. Manhattan is the name of a place again, so M capital. Okay. The Hubble telescope is not open for public viewing anymore. Now it's a name of a telescope, so H will be capital and rest all will be in small alphabets. Okay children. The Jungle Book was written by Rudyard Kipling specially for children. Now Jungle Book is the name of a book. So T capital, J capital, B capital. Okay, and the name of the writer is Rudyard Kipling. So R capital, K capital. See the last sentence children. Hazel and Gretel is a classic fairy tale that is known to many. Now this is the name of the story, fairy tale. So H name of a person and G capital. Okay, rest all will be in small alphabets. So like this you have to complete this exercise also. With this we have completed all the 4 exercises of this lesson. So please do write this in your textbook. Thank you.